Hi everyone! Unboxing today, new arrival, this one. This box is from Korea. So, Prila Bags mid-brand from Korea. So, ito yung mga daily live namin. Papakita natin kung anong laman, kung magaganda, pero mostly magaganda talaga. So, let's start para makita nyo kung anong laman. Usually, daily live ng Miss D Collections. Sa Shopee po yan ha. So, watch kayo sa Shopee. Ito yung usually na binibenta natin. Okay, so, start tayo. This one. Ito yung isa sa favorite ko. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda, oh. This is Teeny Weeny Sling. Ang nice, no? Ang ganda. Baka kunin ko to. Okay, bilisan natin kasi magla-live pa ako. And, another. So, sa isang box, mga 110 pieces, ano yan? Bags na Prila. Another one, oh, ang ganda. This is Brera. Nice sombrera. And patent leather. I think this is love cut. Oh, tama. Oh, pa-love cut, office bag. Cutie. Next is, ayan, office bag ulit. Magaganda to. Nylon. Anong brand ito? Ni nylon. Design by Sumker. Sumker ba? Wait, check ko lang. Ha, yung video natin. Lapit natin konti. Para mas kita. Yung bags. Okay. Next. Bilisan ko kasi magla-live pa ako. Quilted. This is Harry Mason na sling. Harry Mason sling. Yung kanyang design, halatang Zara. Zara Basic Collection. Wow, this is a backpack beanpole nylon leather combination. Mahal to, mga beanpole. Another super nice Louis Couture na LQ. Good as new. Oh, another one. Beanpole ulit. Ang gaganda ng beanpole, oh. Next one is Love Cut. Oh, Love Cut tote bag. Nice Love Cut. Cutie. Oh, ang ganda ni Love Cut. Ang cute! Si Vilu. Canvas. Laptop bag. Beyond the Basic laptop bag. Elegance tote bag. Bago pa yun. Men's sling, which is si Eider. This is Carlene. Wow. Carlene. Dami naghahanap ng Carlene. And, wow, ang ganda ng color. Ensuwen ang brand. Ensuwen. Color green. Two-way. Oh, puting-puti naman ito. This one is Patrice Brielle. So, si Brielle. Backpack naman si Brielle. White na white. O, orange. Brera. Sling. Handbag si Brera. O, this one is Love Cut. Pa-tote bag. What's this? Oh, wow. Fila. Nylon. Another one. Oh, bagong-bago to. Malutong-lutong pa. Sisley. Super nice Sisley. Another one. LQ. Oh, ang ganda ni LQ. Isa sa LQ ang marami naghahanap na bag. Medyo sumikat ang LQ nowadays. Next is, what is this? Okay, beanpole. So, marami tayong beanpole. Another laptop bag. Okay, this one is, kangol. Kangol or kanggol na leather. Mahal din yun. Bago pa. Pa-soft leather lang din. What is this? Kili bag. Leather na leather yung kili bag. Nice. Bago, naka-plastic pa. I think that one is Esquire. Oh, wow. This is nice. Pasling. Ang ganda ng design. Brand is... What's your brand? Hindi ko makita. Pero ang ganda niya. Okay. Studio by Latem. Okay, this one is Latem pala. Okay. Camera bag Hazies. Curie. Super Gold Hardwares. This is cute. Si Peach. Ang cute. Ang cute ni Peach. Another laptop bag. Okay, I think this is St. Louis, Paris. Mommy bag. Mommy bag, nylon. Ganda. Pa-Hermes ang design nito. What's your brand? Harry. London brand siya pero something Harry. Pa-Hermes. Color pink. Another one. Ang ganda din itong office bag na to. Okay. This is si Robbie Moss. Ang ganda ni Robbie Moss. Genuine leather pa doctor's bag. Another, Croco leather naman ito. Croco leather ang atake. What is your brand? Hindi ko mabasa. Forever something. Okay. This one is Bege. Okay. Magandang Bege ito, ha? Snake skin pala siya. Okay. Super leather LQ. Genuine leather LQ. Another is, okay, this one is, it's bag ang brand. Korean brand. Maganda ang color niya. Nice color. Next, cute. A bucket style. Okay, this one is Bege also. Yan, si Bege. Croco na leather talaga. Super Croco leather. Kamize ang brand. Si ating Croco leather. Another Kili bag. Nice. White na white. Bagong bago. Terhi Polki ang brand. Kili bag. Oh, this is nice. Nicole St. Giles. Alma style. No issue. Ganda pa, bago pa. Another LQ. Louis XIV. Nice ng LQ na to. Tote bag. Okay. LQ Slim. Ayan, ang dami naghahanap nito. LQ Slim. Okay, si Jaeger, pa-ostrich leather naman. Next is another Jaeger office bag. Office bag, another one. Ganda. So, marami-rami to pagka isang box ang ino-open. Anne Klein, original Anne Klein office bag. This is Kapachi. Yan. Original Capaci genuine leather. Okay, we have patent leather Pulse Boutique. O, kakaibang design ng Pulse Boutique. Nice siya, nice. Okay. O, lemine na leather backpack. Next is, okay, what is your brand? Popcorn Italy Milano brand. From Milan. Another big tote. Nice, genuine leather. Marami tayong genuine leather. Sa mga genuine leather is, tumatagal talaga. Another one is ducks. Okay. So, we have ducks here. Ang ganda ng ducks na to. Grabe to. Parang ilang ako nakakuha ng gantong ducks. Next. Okay, Saint Scott. Office bag Saint Scott. Ang nice din. Parang Hermes ang design niya Saint Scott. I think, sa tingin ko pa lang ha, hindi pa na-open. Love cut to. Sure ako. This one is love cut. Ang gandang love cut. Pa-kilted naman. Another. Wow, we have Hermes here. Okay. Is this real? Okay, pa-Hermes style. Made in Italy din. Next, office bag ulit. Okay, ang cute. Okay. This one is Mila Shawl. Napa-Alma office bag. Grabe to. Sobrang croco leather. As in, super croco leather backpack. Ganda. Ganda ng quality. Padded pa yung likod, oh. Nice. Okay. We have Tandy. Ayan, si Tandy. Two-way. And then, we have Harry Mason. Ganda ng Harry Mason. Wow, ang ganda. Bago. Samsi backpack. Ganda din ang color. Next. Ito, ang dami naghahanap nito. Coron sling. Tapos pa camera bag. Mabenta to. Mabibili agad tong Coron sling na to. Another patent leather, which is ducks. Wow, this is super, super nice ducks. Ang ganda ng ducks. Okay, I think this one is sling. Are you? Okay, this one is double M. Sling kilted, double M. Double Milano. Another Zara basic bag. Oh, ang ganda ng leather nito, kakaiba. Sila Bargery. Parang pa-Hermes din ang design. Oh. Ganda. Okay. Okay, we have here Riz Liza. Backpack pa Bottega style na Riz Liza. Malalim na. Oh, ang ganda din. Nylon, may paganyan pa. Ang cute. Next. Okay, ang ganda din ng design. Hindi ko mabasa ang brand, pero maganda siya. Another. Ang cute. Si Latoul. Branded by Latoul. Oh, wow. This is nice. Gusto ko to. Belt bag. Ang ganda nito. Wingfoot. Ganda. Ganda din ang color. Oh. Tabi natin. Okay. So, we have Duwani tote. And we also have, what's this? Oh, another LQ. Louis Vuitton. Okay. Next is si Arnaldo Bassini, Italy. Ang ganda din. Genuine leather. Next is LQ. Another LQ. Oh. Zero Nova. Sling for men. Daming packets. Ang ganda. Tabi din natin. This one is Maclani or si McLean. Maclani or McLean. Okay, office bag, Elegance. Si ating Elegance. Okay. LQ Sling. This is nice. Minsan lang makakuha ng LQ Sling. Okay, this one, genuine leather also. Anong brand mo? Okay. This is Sisley. Ankline. Agatha. So, bago pa. Brand new Agatha. Elegance. Croco leather. Okay, Paul's Boutique London. Backpack. Pang sport. Padded. Ang konti na lang. Another, this one is Nicole Miller, Pabotega. Malalim-lalim na. Okay. This one is Rebecca Minko. Si ating Rebecca. Another backpack. Oriani. Another backpack. What is your brand? Rora Parker. Nylon. Okay, this one is Samsi for Hermes din. Another sling, Season. Okay, another one is Coron. This is a nice Coron bag. Cute and nice Coron bag. Backpack. Ayan. Okay. A sling. Wow. This is Owl. Sacros ang brand ni Owl. Canvas. Another one is Love Cut tote bag. Si ating Love Cut. Next is, what is your brand? Backpack din siya. Jenny. Kili bag LQ. Canvas tote small. Sling LQ, good as new. Hindi ko naabot. Office bag. Nice. This is Mickey Mouse backpack. Cute. Disney. This one is Disney backpack. Mickey Mouse. Another is, okay, we have here Finn Esper. Original Finn Esper genuine leather. Next is, we have LQ Sling. Okay, Spider-Man backpack. Okay. Arnaldo Pilmer. A sling for men, Genova. And I think that's it. Last one, messenger bag. Si Dima Rosa. That's it. So, abang kayo sa live, daily, Shopee, Miss D Collections. And see you. Salamat!